I'm going to show you how to cut a part of wood out where you can't stop. You can't go straight through. So I'm going to show you how the easy way to do it with the jigsaw. So here we go. So you want to get a notch in there so you can get the blade in there. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. But my clamp is getting a little foggy here. Let's tighten her down more. I should actually put another clamp on. So what I did is I got a hole deep enough to get the blade in there, I'm hoping. Yeah, okay, so the blade will fit. So now I could do the straight cut across, but that's gonna take me a while. So I just wanted to show you what you wanted to do, and I'll show you the wood. So that's what you wanna do. You wanna notch it out for the blade so that you can do the follow the straight line. And that's the only way to do it. You can't do it on the saw table or on the crosscut saw. So I hope you enjoyed the little video and you learned something. Even a man can do it. Have a good one.